Before becoming a Hollywood legend, Sylvester Stallone pushed his body to the absolute limit with extreme diets most people would never survive. This is how he transformed from fragile to unstoppable. In his early film years, Stallone followed extreme diets to achieve an ultra-lean look. Some days he ate tiny portions of brown rice cereal, drank large amounts of coffee, and also had honey and tuna. His body fat dropped to dangerously low levels, impressive visually, but exhausting physically. Over time, he realized these extremes weren't sustainable and shifted to a more balanced approach. Now his mornings start with 3 egg whites and part of a yolk, giving him high-quality protein and essential amino acids that repair and build muscle after decades of training. He pairs this with fresh fruits like papaya and figs. Papaya is loaded with vitamin A and C, which strengthen the immune system and support healthy skin, while figs provide natural fiber to aid digestion and keep the gut functioning smoothly. Lean proteins like broiled chicken and fish are staples in his meals, supplying the fuel his muscles need without extra fat, helping him maintain strength and a lean physique. Roasted squash is another favorite. Rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates, it provides slow-release energy to keep blood sugar levels steady throughout the day. For flavor, Stallone avoids high-sodium sauces, instead using liquid aminos, a gluten-free alternative that enhances taste while supporting muscle repair and recovery. He also supplements with whey protein and branched-chain amino acids to recover faster and reduce soreness. This combination, smart meals, high-quality protein, and consistency, is what helps Stallone maintain his energy, strength, and iconic physique well into his 70s.